In our solar system, there are two types of small celestial bodies, asteroids and comets. But what's the difference between them? Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the Sun, mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. They're remnants from the early solar system's formation. Comets are fascinating celestial objects, often described as icy bodies that release gas and dust as they approach the Sun. This process creates a stunning bright tail that can be seen from Earth. These tails are formed due to the solar wind and radiation pressure acting on the comet's nucleus, which is composed of ice, dust, and rocky material. As comets travel closer to the Sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize, releasing gas and dust particles into space. This phenomenon is known as outgassing. Comets originate from the outer regions of our solar system, specifically from two main areas, the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. The Kuiper Belt is a region beyond the orbit of Neptune, filled with small icy bodies, while the Oort cloud is a distant spherical shell surrounding the solar system, containing billions of cometary nuclei. Scientists believe that comets have played a crucial role in the history of our planet. It is thought that they delivered water and organic molecules to Earth during its early formation, potentially contributing to the development of life. Studying comets helps us understand the early solar system and the origins of life on Earth. So, what's the main difference? Asteroids and comets, though both fascinating celestial objects, have distinct characteristics that set them apart. Asteroids are primarily composed of rock and metal, making them solid and inert. They tend to orbit the Sun in a more circular path, often found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. On the other hand, comets are made up of ice, dust, and organic compounds. When they approach the Sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize, creating a glowing coma and a spectacular tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. Comets have highly elliptical orbits, taking them far out into the distant reaches of the solar system and then back close to the Sun. This journey can take hundreds or even thousands of years. So, while asteroids remain relatively unchanged, comets undergo dramatic transformations as they travel through space. In summary, asteroids and comets are distinct objects with different compositions, orbits, and characteristics. Asteroids, primarily composed of rock and metal, are remnants from the early solar system that never coalesced into planets. They typically orbit the Sun in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Comets, on the other hand, are composed of ice, dust, and organic compounds. They originate from the distant regions of the solar system, such as the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. When comets approach the Sun, their icy cores heat up and release gas and dust, creating a glowing coma and sometimes a spectacular tail. Understanding these celestial bodies not only provides insights into the building blocks of our solar system, but also helps us trace the history of water and organic materials on Earth. By studying asteroids and comets, we can uncover the secrets of our solar system's formation and evolution.